In the beginning, there was a spark of curiosity that became fire, and fire that became desire. At first, the desire stayed simple: to keep the rain out and hold the night back, to build a shelter and survive. But soon, we learned to rise, to align, to stack, and to repeat, thus giving birth to construction, the backbone of our aspiration. After learning and understanding, the desire turned towards expanding. We started working hard to grow, not just across the land, but upward into the sky. And slowly, construction went from building for survival to building for civilization. But the world today moves much faster than the way we are building it. Our aspirations are outgrowing the conventional methods of construction. Density is increasing, complexity is rising, and time has become unforgiving. Today, delay in construction is not just a matter of time or money, but of lives displaced, of growth disrupted, and growth, when stagnant, implodes into a state of entropy. Order begins to slip and chaos takes over. Construction of India can no longer stay the same. What once moved with effort and endurance now demands accuracy and acceleration. Construction of India must invent and evolve because our desire to expand demands certainty, scale, and speed simultaneously. And construction of India once again must align to move in harmony with our ecosystem, to reduce waste not just of material, but of time, space, energy, and human effort. Because sustainability is more than just a practice. It is the equilibrium of our ecosystem, the equilibrium of our very existence. It is time to think ahead, plan ahead, foresee ahead, and even build ahead, so that wherever a ground breaks, progress is ready to assemble. Construction of India has spread its wings, and a nation's aspiration takes flight. Bhaarat Precast. Certainty in design, scalability in production, and speed in execution. A subsidiary of Bluewing.